How to add an audio player to Wix. So you have two methods to do this. You can use a code or you can use the Wix audio. So to do the Wix audio first, let's click on this add elements option. And then from in there, it will also show you this. You just click onto the search bar and search in here for music. It will show you in here under the media, their mini players. So click on those. And then from in there, it will prompt you to choose what kind of player you want. You can upload media for the player. They have images, video players, as well as for the audio, they have mini players. So just head over here to their mini players and then choosing here the particular template. Just add that and then drag that into your actual part of the page that you want to put it. And once it's been added right there, it will appear just like this. So you have the option to change the track by clicking onto this change track option right here. And then just upload right here an audio track that you want to use. Alternatively, you can use Elf site. So on your Elf site, click onto this add new app. Click onto the search widgets and search in here for audio player. And also just choose in here background music. For this one, let's choose the audio player and then from in there, just choose in here the template that you want to actually put right there. We have music playlist, inline, single track, new album, audiobook, as well as a lot more. So for this case, I'll just head over and choose in here this single track. Click onto this continue with this template and add in here the track that you would want to use. Click onto this publish once you're done, and then from in there, just pick a plan to install this particular widget. Now, from in there, just copy the code that they will give you, and then head back to your site. Make sure to input right here an iframe or embed code, and click onto this enter code option. Just paste in here the actual code and click on update, and then this will load that particular player that we have created from our site. So now we have two types of audio players available on Wix. So that's how you add an audio player to Wix. Hope we helped.